With China breathing down on its neck, Taiwan worried about Beijing's intentions, and Russia flexing its military muscle, India is ramping up its arsenal with an eye on the future. It's not just tanks and missiles anymore. The game has changed. Today, warfare is as much about technology as it is about brute force, and India is rising to the challenge. Let us take a look at some of the most advanced military technologies being developed in India right now. These are the building blocks of India's defense, and they could very well shape the future of warfare. Tejas Mark 1A. When it comes to fighter jets, quantity isn't everything, but quality certainly is. While the Indian Air Force has been operating the Tejas, the indigenous light combat aircraft, since 2016, the upcoming Tejas Mark 1A promises to be a quantum leap. Scheduled for delivery in 2024, this advanced trainer fighter will redefine aerial combat. What's under the hood? Well, the Tejas Mark 1A boasts an impressive array of upgrades. Its active electronically scanned array radar, also known as ESA, is a game-changer. This radar system, developed by Bharat Electronics Limited (BEL), is a major step up from the Mark 1's mechanically scanned radar. The ESA radar provides air superiority and multi-mode capabilities, including air-to-air, air-to-ground, and beyond visual range (BVR) capabilities. Imagine having an aircraft that can detect, track, and engage multiple targets at once while evading enemy fire. That's the power of ESA radar. It's like giving your fighter jet a sixth sense. But that's not all. The Tejas Mark 1A takes it a notch higher with the incorporation of the Israeli-sourced Derby and Python air-to-air missiles. These missiles offer a range of up to 100 kilometers, making them ideal for air-to-air combat. In contrast, the Tejas Mark 1 primarily uses the indigenous Astra missile with a range of 70 kilometers. This significant upgrade in missile range ensures that the Mark 1A can engage enemies from a safe distance, reducing risks to Indian pilots. Additionally, the Tejas Mark 1A incorporates the Indigenous Electronic Warfare Suite (EWS), manufactured by Bharat Electronics. This advanced system provides electronic jammers and other capabilities, enhancing the aircraft's survivability in combat situations. With these cutting-edge upgrades, the Tejas Mark 1A is poised to be a formidable force in the Indian Air Force, ensuring air superiority and providing a platform for advanced aerial warfare capabilities. Dhruv, helicopters aren't just for search and rescue missions anymore. They're evolving into lethal weapons platforms. Enter the Advanced Light Helicopter Al-Dhruv, named after the mighty Hindu deity of speed. This helicopter has been a workhorse for the Indian Air Force, Army, and Navy since 2002, but it's the Dhruv unmanned autonomous multi-mission helicopter, scheduled for delivery in 2024, that has everyone's attention. The Al-Dhruv is the first indigenously designed, developed, and manufactured helicopter to be inducted into the armed forces. It was designed by the renowned helicopter manufacturer Hindustan Aeronautics Limited (HAL), based on the earlier Chetak helicopter. Over the years, the ALH has undergone numerous upgrades and improvements, establishing itself as a reliable and versatile platform. It has been used for various roles such as reconnaissance, surveillance, troop transport, and even attack operations. The success of the AL led to the development of a more advanced version known as the Light Combat Helicopter LCH. The LCH incorporates advanced technologies and features specifically designed for combat roles. It includes powerful engines, enhanced avionics, and state-of-the-art weapon systems. This helicopter is capable of carrying a variety of air-to-surface and air-to-air missiles, as well as laser-guided bombs. The integration of these advanced capabilities makes the LCH a potent weapon platform for the Indian Air Force and Army. Astra Mark II Beyond Visual Range Missile. Missiles have come a long way from their rudimentary beginnings. Modern missiles are marvels of engineering and technology, capable of striking targets with precision from great distances. One notable example is the Astra Mark II Beyond Visual Range (BVR) missile. Developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization (DRDO) and produced by the Missile Development Center, the Astra II is a medium-range BVR missile designed for air-to-air combat. It has a range of approximately 100 to 150 kilometers. making it effective for engaging enemy aircraft at extended ranges. The missile uses advanced guidance systems and propulsion technologies to ensure accurate and reliable targeting. Its development aims to enhance the air combat capabilities of the Indian Air Force, providing it with a potent weapon against enemy fighter jets and other airborne threats. BrahMos Mark III Hypersonic Missile. Hypersonic missiles are the latest advancement in missile technology. These missiles travel at speeds greater than Mach 5, making them incredibly difficult to intercept or defend against. India has been making significant strides in developing hypersonic weapons, and one notable example is the BrahMos Mark III hypersonic missile. Developed jointly with Russia, this missile represents the third generation of the BrahMos missile family. The previous versions, BrahMos 1 and 2, are supersonic missiles with speeds ranging from Mach 2.8 to Mach 3.6. The BrahMos Mark III, however, is capable of reaching speeds in excess of Mach 5. The missile is designed to be versatile, capable of engaging targets on land and sea. It can be launched from various platforms including submarines, ships, and fighter jets. Its development signifies India's growing prowess in missile technology and its potential to become a major player in the global arms market. Akash Advanced Air Defense System. Imagine having an air defense system so advanced it can detect and intercept incoming aircraft and missiles before they even reach your airspace. That's the level of protection offered by the Akash Advanced Air Defense System. Developed by Bharat Electronics Limited (BEL) in collaboration with the Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, this system is a key component of India's air defense strategy. It consists of multiple launchers equipped with surface-to-air missiles that can simultaneously engage multiple targets. The Akash system is designed to intercept a wide range of aerial threats, including fighter jets, bombers, and cruise missiles. Its advanced radars and tracking systems provide early warning and accurate targeting, ensuring the highest probability of kill. The Akash air defense system is not only technologically advanced, but also highly cost-effective. It offers a comprehensive solution for protecting critical infrastructure and strategic assets. Next-generation airborne early warning and control aircraft. Imagine having an aircraft that can provide an early warning of impending aerial threats, while also coordinating air traffic and providing essential communication links. That's what the next-generation Airborne Early Warning and Control Aircraft, A1C, offers. Based on the Embraer 145 jet, this sophisticated aircraft is equipped with advanced radars and communication systems. It's the first of its kind in India, marking a significant step forward in the country's air defense capabilities. The A1C plays a crucial role in enhancing situational awareness, allowing India to detect and respond to aerial threats more effectively. Its integration into the Indian Air Force is expected to significantly improve the country's overall air defense strategy. K4 Nuclear-Capable Submarine-Launched Cruise Missile. Imagine having a weapon that combines the stealth of a submarine with the precision of a cruise missile. That's the threat posed by the K4 Nuclear-Capable Submarine-Launched Cruise Missile. Developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, this missile has been successfully test-fired, demonstrating its accuracy and reliability. The K4 missile can be launched from both conventional and nuclear-powered submarines, providing India with a potent underwater deterrent. Its ability to strike targets with high precision makes it a formidable weapon in the Indian arsenal. The integration of the K4 into India's submarine fleet enhances the country's nuclear triad, ensuring that it can launch nuclear strikes from land, air, and sea. Pradhan Mantri Bharatiya Jandan Pariyojana. The Pradhan Mantri Bharatiya Jandan Pariyojana, also known as PMJDY, is a flagship government initiative aimed at providing financial inclusion to all citizens. It's a remarkable feat considering India's vast population and diverse demographics. Under the scheme, every adult resident of India is entitled to open a bank account with a zero balance, enabling them to access formal banking services without any initial deposit. Additionally, the scheme promotes the adoption of digital payment methods, encouraging a cashless economy. PMJDY has empowered individuals with greater control over their finances. reduce their reliance on informal sources of credit, and enhance their overall economic well-being. It's a testament to the government's commitment to leaving no one behind. In conclusion, India's journey toward becoming a major technological powerhouse is evident in its advancements in military technology. The country has made significant strides in developing cutting-edge weaponry, aerospace systems, and communication networks. From the Tejas Mark 1A fighter jet to the K-4 nuclear-capable submarine-launched cruise missile, these innovations showcase India's prowess in research and development. Moreover, India's investments in emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, and robotics are transforming the way warfare is conducted. As India continues to prioritize defense spending and attract foreign collaborations, its military technology sector is poised for further growth and development. So guys, what do you think about today's video? We hope you liked the video. Also, if you have any suggestions or feedback for us, then do let us know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more amazing videos like this. Take care and bye-bye.